All right, everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive?
Always ready? What are we looking at today?
Today, we're diving into Cronos, CRO, specifically its technical analysis, and we'll even go through how to buy it on KuCoin.
Sounds interesting. CRO has definitely been making some moves in the market.
It has.
Hmm.
Our analysis is actually showing some pretty bullish signals, even hinting at a possible 540% gain.
Wow, 540%. That's pretty incredible. But of course, with crypto, it's important to remember that those kinds of gains aren't guaranteed.
Absolutely. Always crucial to acknowledge those risks. But hey, that's why we're doing this deep dive, right? To explore those signals and help everyone make informed decisions.
Couldn't agree more. Informed decisions are key in this space.
So let's talk tech analysis. Support and resistance levels. Those terms get thrown around a lot.
They do, don't they? I like to think of support and resistance like a highway with guardrails. Support, that's our lower guardrail. It kind of keeps the price from veering off too far down.
Hmm.
And then resistance, that's our upper guardrail, preventing the price from rocketing up too fast.
Okay, I like that analogy. Guardrails on the price highway.
Exactly. And recently, CRO has been bouncing off a key support level right around, let me check. Yes, right around $0.08.
Interesting. So it's holding steady, bouncing off that support level. What happens if it breaks through the resistance, though? That upper guardrail.
Well, that's when things get really exciting, like a rocket breaking free, you know? It often means a powerful upward trend might be starting.
That does sound exciting. So we're looking at CRO potentially blasting off. Anything else pointing to that? Any other signs?
There are. You see, CRO also just crossed above its 50-day exponential moving average, or EMA.
EMA. Now, that's another one of those terms.
I know. Think of it like a long-distance race, right? CROs are a runner, and the 50-day EMA, that's like a pacer. CRO overtaking the pacer, that's a sign of growing momentum, more buyer confidence.
Got it. Picking up the pace, leaving the pacer behind. I also noticed a pretty big surge in trading volume lately.
You noticed that too, huh? Increased volume, that's like fuel for the rocket, you know? A sign of strong interest. It could mean a couple things. For short-term traders, we might see a price jump to around $7.20. But for those who are in it for the long haul, well, they might have their sights set a lot higher.
A lot higher. How high are we talking?
Potentially back to its all-time high. That's $0.96, a gain of over 540%.
Okay, that's impressive. Now I'm really interested. Let's say someone wants to get in on this potential action. Where should they start?
Well, KuCoin is a pretty good exchange. Super reputable and easy to use. Go to KuCoin.com and create an account. It's straightforward.
Easy enough. What then?
Next up is KYC verification. That's just to make sure everything's secure, like showing your ID at a club. After that, it's time to fund your account, transfer some crypto, maybe USDT, or use regular money, fiat currency. KuCoin's got tons of options, even credit cards and bank transfers.
Convenient. Okay, so we're funded, verified, and ready to go. How do we actually buy CRO?
You'll want to search for CRO trading pairs. Could be CRO-ZT, CRO-BTC, depends what you're using to buy. Then you place your order.
Just like that.
Pretty much. You can do a market order if you want to buy immediately at the current price, or you can set a limit order that lets you choose the specific price you want to buy at.
Options. I like it. Okay, let's say I bought my CRO. What next? Hodl it.
You could, or you could think about withdrawing it to a secure wallet, like your own little crypto vault for safekeeping. Another option is staking. It's like putting your CRO to work and earning rewards. Platforms like the Crypto.com app and some DeFi platforms have staking options.
Sounds interesting. So I can buy, hold, or stake my CRO. Before we wrap this up, let's talk risks.
Always important to remember that. Crypto can be volatile, CRO included. Before you invest in anything, do your research, understand the project, the tech behind it, and what's happening in the market.
Definitely good advice. Anything else we should keep in mind?
Oh, definitely diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments around to manage the risk. And don't forget about stop-loss orders. They're like a safety net. You set a price, and if CRO drops to that price, it automatically sells, limiting your potential losses.
A smart move. So much good information here. We've got a potential upswing on the charts, a step-by-step guide to buying CRO on KuCoin, and some really important risk management advice.
We did cover a lot. What stood out to you the most?
Honestly, learning about how the Cronos chain connects to the Crypto.com ecosystem, it's fascinating. Makes me want to dig deeper into that. But for everyone listening, remember, keep exploring, keep learning, and as always, invest responsibly.
Couldn't have said it better myself. Until next time.
See you then.